Okay, team, here we'll look at nested dictionaries. So it might be a little hard to see, but the outside is a dictionary that has 3 keys, child 1, 2, and 3. And then each one is associated with another dictionary. So the part I'm highlighting there is an additional dictionary. I used Python Tutor to visualize it here. And you can see the overall dictionary is called myfamily. And then there's 3 keys, child 1, child 2, and child 3. And each of those is associated, or the value for that key is an additional dictionary that has keys of name and year. For example, I could get the value associated with the key, my child, and that's an inner dictionary, that Emil 2004. Okay, that's accessing that first dictionary that is linked there. Okay, so it's a dictionary of dictionaries. I can also loop through the keys in my family. So I can run that. Oh, look, it says missing parentheses and call to print. There we go. Okay, so there you can see it printed the key. I got the same thing just as a review. If I did keys there, I also could do values there. So now this would be I'll call this the kid dictionary, and I'll print that. Even if I didn't use values, I can get that in other ways. So remember, I can access the keys just like that, or actually the default is to use the keys either way. And then I actually can just use the key there to access the value associated with the kid, and that I can use that to get the values. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. One last way I'll mention is I can get items, kid. So that'll be that child 1, child 2, child 3, and then I can print these things, and I'll print a tab in between them. So I have different ways that I can access those things. To help you reason about it being a dictionary of dictionaries, it gives us another example where it makes each of the dictionaries first and then puts them together into a nested dictionary. Okay, if I start off just making 3 dictionaries, then I've got child 1, child 2, child 3, and they each reference that dictionary. Now I'm going to add in a dictionary that's kind of composing them all. So the key child 1 is associated with that variable named child 1. Let's look at what that would look like. So it had the same things where child 1, child 2, child 3 reference those 3 dictionaries, but now I have a new thing called myfamily, and it is a dictionary that goes from that string child 1 to that dictionary. And here it might be confusing because I have 2 child 1s. That one is a variable. Right here I define that variable, whereas inside the dictionary my key is child 1, and that's a string.